A journey to remember. Emily was excited. Today was the day she would fly to Paris for the first time. She arrived at the airport early, her suitcase packed with clothes, books, and a small gift for her friend Claire, who lived in France. As she walked through the airport, Emily felt a mix of emotions. The bright lights and busy people made her feel alive. Families were saying goodbye, while travelers were rushing to their gates. She checked in her suitcase and got her boarding pass. The friendly staff wished her a pleasant flight. After passing through security, Emily found a café. She bought a croissant and a cup of coffee. Sitting by the large window, she watched planes take off and land. Each time a plane flew by, her excitement grew. She imagined all the adventures waiting for her in Paris. Finally, it was time to board. Emily found her seat by the window and fastened her seatbelt. As the plane took off, she felt a little nervous but also thrilled. She looked out the window and saw the airport getting smaller and smaller. Soon, the clouds surrounded her, and she felt like she was flying in a dream. When the plane landed in Paris, Emily couldn't believe it. She was in a new country, ready to explore. With her heart full of joy, she stepped off the plane, ready for her adventure with Claire. The journey had just begun, and she knew it would be a trip to remember forever.